So we just visited the National Museum here in Dumaguete. Bawal yung video sa loob. But this is yung old na city hall nila. So if you see the structures, old structure, sa loob maganda na if you visit Dumaguete, one of the sites recommended. This is right at the City Hall area. This is the City Hall area. So we visited yung city planning, on the right side kung papasok ka. This one. So this is the National Museum of the Philippines, Dumaguete, Negros Oriental. So ito yung old nila na City Hall, seat of power. So we'll just walk here na area. So we're doing some real estate consulting work here. Mamaya marami tayong pupuntahan. So is this guy. Ito yung parang plaza nila. This is, who is this guy? Eddie Romero, national artist for film and broadcast arts. He's from Dumaguete. Ayan. Then the City Hall is just right in front. Tingnan natin dito. In place, they have a plaza na area. Tingnan natin. Okay. Sasakay tayo ng tricycle. I'm amused. Last night nag-tricycle tayo.